Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and I don't know about you, but I absolutely love the Wishables. They are so cute. I found this video, I was going through some of my collection, and I found this video from a little bit ago, so I thought I'd share it. So these are the Coco Wishables, which are not, as of today, anymore available. But I was really excited because I love Coco. I think it's one of my favorite movies. And so I was really hoping to get, you know, maybe the Chase. I love Dante. I would love to just get the regular gray Dante. And obviously you can tell this is older because they have changed their prices a little bit. So I thought it'd be really fun to go ahead and just open them live. So we were in Walt Disney World and we were staying at Pop Century. And I thought, you know what, this would be really fun to go ahead and just open them live. You know, I think it's part of the fun of the Wishables. Although I'm a little sad because they've raised their price currently to almost $15. And yes, it's cute, but when you're talking $15 and you don't know what you're going to get, it seems a little pricey. I think $9.95 was about my limit for those. I have truly stopped doing the random ones, and I just buy them on eBay after people have opened them and just get the ones I want, if I want any. So this is me at Pop Century, and I'm going to open them live. So let's just see who we get here. So excited. I'm really hoping for Dante. Miguel is cute, and I mean Hester and, you know, Ernesto de la Cruz. I love them all. But let's see who we get. So we're almost done. All right, so for the first bag, let's see who we got. We have got... Dun, da, da, da. And I got Miguel! He's so cute! So I'm really hoping with the other bag that I'm really wanting a Dante. I don't mind Miguel. I think he's very cute. I like Ernesto de la Cruz. I would love a Chase. That would be a really nice surprise. Alright, let's see what's in the second one. And I did buy these two bags at the Mexico Pavilion at Epcot. So literally we left Epcot, came back, and I opened these up. Let's see, who is the second one? The second one we got is... Alright, here we go. Dante. Come on, Dante. We are going to get with the second one. Oh, another Miguel. See, again, this is where I say, now I'm not disappointed. They're very cute, but I don't need two Miguels. What I will say, though, is I think when Disney offers these at the we're not sure what you're going to get of price of $15, that's a lot. Like, think about a little kid if you're, like, going on vacation and you're like, well, I'll give you, like, you know, 20 bucks or 30 bucks or something. I mean, they can only get two of those little guys, so... They're very, very cute, though. I did end up getting the cat, so I have that one, too. But I do have an extra, that's so sad. Well, I'll try again. So thank you again for watching. I do appreciate it. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner and artist of JessicaLynnOriginal Studios. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It costs nothing. Just reminds you when we upload another video. Don't forget to like this so other people know that this is kind of a fun Disney video. And then I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite Wishable? Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.